Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, let us learn about colors, and if this video is giving value to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. There are three types of colors: primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors. Primary colors are basic colors that we can use for creating secondary and tertiary colors. In this video, we are going to see the primary colors. Red, yellow and blue, these are primary colors. And now we are going to fill the color wheel with these colors.